Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to use ChatGPT image generate free. Unlimited AI art stories and photos. When you're using your ChatGPT, you can use up to 3 free limited image per day. While ChatGPT Plus subscribe can generate up to 50 image every 3 to 3 hours with a total daily limit potentially reaching up to 200 image per day. So as you can see right now, we're going to try it. So to try put an image here. So let's try putting a word make me an image of a dog playing with a cat. So always start with something like make me image or make me a picture, or you can just add like a dog fighting a cat and give me the image of it, or maybe just give me the photo of it or a picture of it. Just indicate that you want to have a picture or an image of that animal, or let's say object, or anything else that you want an image of. Just indicate it to the chat gpt that you want it to be an image. As you see right now, it's generating the image. There we go, it's now generating. So as you see right here, this is the loading. So once this is fully loaded, it will be what do you call this, the image will be shown. So we're just gonna have to wait a little bit. And a quick tip for you guys: when you're using ChatGPT, there's only 3 images you can use per day. So the best tip that I can give you guys is use your ChatGPT on your other account, if you have any other account, or ask a friend to use their ChatGPT and give you the image that you want. But for now, we only have 3 because that's the new rule on ChatGPT. That article was published on June 4, 2025. So yeah, that's the free limit of it. But currently, if you subscribe to ChatGPT, you can get up to 50 image for every 3 hours. So that's 3 hours. So if you reach like a full day without sleeping, I think you can get up to 200 image, like a half the day. And if you're like fully 24 hours, you can reach up to 400 images per day. So there we go. As you can see right now, it's almost done. And it's a little bit more. There you go. As you can see, when it's fully white, it means it's done. It's just initiating its final phase to be downloaded. And as you can see, here is the image of the cat and the dog playing. There you go. As you can see, it made me 2 images, this one and this one. So as you can see, this one is still loading. There you go. And this one is fully loaded. So now to do it, now we can just like it so it knows what we want, and it will save us in this into history, and click on download to download the file. Another way to download the file is just right click here and then click on save image as. There you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.